We must, however, say,
That's right.
with the greatest emphasis,
Quite right.
that human beings are not chattels and should not be used as pawns in furthering some larger political or government policy.
Quite right.
Those who are not taking a decision on Afzal Guru, Meenakshi Lekhi, are they not doing exactly that?
Yes.
Absolutely, absolutely, and that's it is from that point the politicization happens. And this is precisely my point. The country has to be won on the issue of terrorism. And when people like, I'm sorry, the gentleman, the MLA from Jammu and Kashmir is making that point, that this will happen in Jammu and Kashmir, that will happen. I have a very small point. Has all that stopped in past 7 years? Is that not happening even today? How many more people do you want to be killed? Is Afzal Guru somebody who deserves mercy and clemency? Has he ever even petitioned for clemency?
No,
He's
he
not
hasn't.
petitioned. His mother has petitioned. He's never made a point that I am against terrorism. I have faith in constitution of this country. I abide by the laws of this country. I am against Pakistan and I'm against ISI and I have faith in this democracy. He doesn't make
Mr.
those
Rashid
points.
wants to respond to you. Allow him to respond. Mr. Rashid is responding to you now, Meenakshi Lekhi. Do listen to him.
Yeah, please.
Yes, Mr. Rashid.
I will like to
Yes,
request
please.
Ms. Meenakshi that why is she forgetting when Jaswant Singh ji took Masood Azhar to Kandahar?
Please,
What
please don't digress.
BJP had at that time?
Please don't digress.
Here in Kashmir,
No, I will answer. Arnab, allow me to answer. Allow me to
And why
answer.
are you finding only just one Afzal Guru who is a killer in Kashmir? I think there are dozens of Afzal Gurus in Kashmir.
Mr.
who are there in
Rashid.
uniform in police and army.
I will remind you, Mr. Rashid. I will remind you, Mr. Rashid.
Mr. Rashid, I want to remind
Mr. Rashid, you asked her, let her
that
respond.
it is for things like IC 814. It is for things like IC 814 that these people should be given death penalty swiftly and not kept in jail because then they blackmail the nation. And you are forgetting, what the present health minister, when his brother-in-law was taken away, when Mehbooba Mufti's sister was taken away, you forget to mention, and it was five terrorists were exchanged.
There's only one solution to this. The only solution to this. The only solution to this. Calm down on both sides, please. Calm down on both sides. Calm down on both
Roaming
sides.
freely in Kashmir.
But the only solution to this, Aryaman Sundaram, will be to carry out the execution. Because, the debate continues till there is no execution. Salman Khurshid says the law which is common to all has been applied in the case of Kasav. Why does the common law not apply in the case of Afzal Guru? How do we take this out of a political debate and put the pressure on the government to follow the law?
Let's not compare unlikes. The whole issue is completely different. Kasab was really an example India was trying to make to the whole world that we are not soft on terrorism. Afzal Guru is a typical example of how our government prevaricates, not this particular government I'm referring to, I say every government prevaricates because every decision is based on what's going to happen in the hustings, what is going to happen, are we going to affect this vote bank or that vote bank. There are three differences between Afzal Guru and Kasab. Number one, Kasab was a member of a country which many people consider inimical to India, and it was an attack by somebody, a foreigner on Indian soil. Two, he was caught red-handed. And since he was caught red-handed, there was never any question about having to prove him guilty except to go through the form of a fair trial.
Sure.
And number three, the contemporary nature of it and the huge public devastation. Perhaps what happened 11 years ago was equally but the public devastation...
But Parliament was attacked. Parliament is the greatest symbol of our society.
Exactly. That is exactly what I'm telling you. Parliament is the greatest... Let me finish, please. Parliament is the greatest symbol, and it is those very parliamentarians who are playing political games and allowing this to drag on. And that is my point. With Kasab, they could not afford to. Nobody could afford to make a political issue because anybody who spoke in his favor will get political brickbats. Whereas some people feel that taking a decision on this Afzal Guru issue is going to affect them in the hustings.
Who are these people?
And who are these people? The politicians. Who are the people who are to make the decisions?
What about the activists? What about certain lobbies? What about certain lobbies?
The lobbies.
What about the lobbies? What about the lobbies in Delhi? Which try to equate inaction against Afzal Guru to some kind of weird political correctness. The same people who refuse to call
I'm
Maoist
sorry,
terrorists.
Lobbies
What
always
about these
exist.
lobbies?
Lobbies always exist, but the final decision lies with the President of India on the advice of the Home Ministry of the Government of India. Now, if there's inaction there, the inaction is
KTS
not
Tulsi.
due to the lobbyists having filed something. It's because of the inaction of the government not willing to take a risk
KTS
of
Tulsi.
taking a decision which could affect them
No,
either
one second.
way.
KTS Tulsi, today you would agree that the argument not to hang Afzal Guru is weak, because on many debates before, you and I have disagreed on this, and you've made the point that there is a list. The Prime Minister said in Mumbai on April 14th that there is a list. He said there is a list. I cannot take Afzal Guru as a case in isolation. It is improper. The Prime Minister of India said that. Now, when you hanged Kassav, you proved that there was no list. So now that the list is disappeared, will you now bring this argument, it's too late? So far there was a list. Now the argument would be, sorry, too much time has passed.
No. I believe that so far as crime and punishment are concerned, politics should be completely kept out.
It's in.
In the matter of crime and punishment, it is according to the law that the decision must be taken, and only on the basis of relevant considerations.
Sure.
But it is universally recognized that a delay, inordinate delay in carrying out the execution, it is cruel and inhuman. It is recognized by the Supreme Court of India that unless it is carried out expeditiously without any inordinate delay,
No.
it becomes unconstitutional.
Meenakshi Lekhi,
because you cannot keep a person. You cannot keep a person on a death row for years. You are killing him every day. It's worse than death.
Mr. Tulsi's argument, which Mr. Tulsi began his statement was in the beginning itself, that the 2 years period has done away with by the Supreme Court of India. That means the time limitation does not exist. That means the Government of India needs to be made answerable. The accountability on part of Government of India is missing. The 2-year period is virtually non-existent today. No, it is non-existent today. And because this government is not acting, okay, if it exists and Government of India does not take action, what should be the penalty for such a government? Should a contempt be
all parties in Government of India did
because they are not acting on it?
So political parties never get punished, but the person who attacked Parliament needs to be punished.
Exactly.
We are putting this question in the public domain. But Meenakshi Lekhi,
for the work he has done.
but Meenakshi Lekhi, don't remember Afzal only when the media picks up the issue or on an anniversary day in a commemorative manner. I think political parties also need to pick things up with consistency, put the pressure. Otherwise, some time from now, there will be the same activists who will say, sorry, it's too late on humanitarian grounds, let him feed off taxpayer money forever. That will be painful for a lot of us. I'm taking a break. I thank you. Mr. Rashid, I'm sorry, completely out of time. I thank you for your participation tonight. This issue on Times Now won't be a once-a-year issue at least. Thank you very much.